Welcome back. From the mid-cap end of things, NBCC has been one stock which has been on a tear all through this month. It's up around 34% Yesterday was higher in trade as well, and today as we speak it's moved to the high point with a gain of almost 5%. It recently won a few orders as well. Now the street is betting on some sort of execution and a turnaround, though it's way off its earlier highs, but currently seeing some traction. Similar can be said about GMR Infra, which is another stock which has done well all through this month and currently sitting at the high point of trade with similar kind of gains and incidentally similar kind of price as well. 42, 43 is where we are. But the focus is on the commodity space. As always, Manisha Gupta joins in, and today we're focusing on the metals pack. Manisha, we've seen a bit of a bounce there.
Well, he absolutely has. The last week was good, and when you look back at the month of November, all non-ferrous metals like copper, zinc, aluminum have put in gains anywhere between 7 to 8%. And when you talk about the non-ferrous metals, equal amount of gains is what we have seen come in for tin and nickel, up by nearly 17 to 24%. In case of ferrous metals as well, the iron ore prices are now trading at a 23-week highs, and we have seen prices gain up by 25% for the month of November. Though from the highs of 2022, that was a peak that we saw in the month of March, prices are down by nearly 36%. But with China has been easing restrictions on COVID, stimulus coming in, we've seen reserve repo rate also declined by 25 basis points there. All of that clearly seems to be supporting the metal prices there. Take a look at the steel rebar futures, and that one also is trading at nearly 1 month highs. We've seen the steel prices gain up by 6.5% for the month of November as well. And the precious metals are not too far away. Gold, by the way, is posting the best monthly gain in the year 2022. We've seen gold prices gain up by nearly 7% for the month of November, with silver clearly outperforming with 11% of gains there. Markets do believe that December will start on a positive note as well, with the kind of fears that the street has in sense of inflation. Street is also looking out for the Jeremy Powell statement that happens today in the evening, and then you have the US non-farm payroll data coming in on Friday, so it promises to be an eventful rest of the week as well.
Manisha, thank you very much for that. Get into a break. On the other side, we'll discuss the auto sales. That's going to be the big domestic queue tomorrow. Numbers will trickle in tomorrow, but all the expectations lined up. Aniket Mhatre of HDFC Securities also joins in next.